Your club signs Lionel Messi. Yes, 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 but he will play only for one season. Real Madrid wins the Champions League this year, but Jude Bellingham will go back to Dortmund. Oh no! Be a better player than Haaland the Terminator, but you have to fight the first person that shows up after you click share, then more. Cristiano Ronaldo wins every trophy next year, but he will retire from football after that. No, this makes me want to cry. You become the next Ronaldinho, but Gorlock the Destroyer will run after you. Lamau, she can't even run. Ronaldo wants to be your friend, but you have to follow us.